little learners, today we are going to start with a very important topic, that is occupation. So let's start with our chapter number 10. What is occupation? Occupation, it is a work which is done for earning money. As you all know, from farmers who is growing crop for us for food, and the teacher who guides us, and the doctors who takes care when we are ill, and the shopkeeper who provides our daily needs thing. Every occupation is important. So let's explore all the occupation together. So let's start with the topic now. So in this chapter, I will tell you about farming, cattle farming, poultry farming, industries, forestry, fishing, mining, and some other occupation. And all occupation plays an important plays an important role in our life. So all of us know all people must do some work to earn living and needs their day. And person, occupation, what it depends upon? Its interest, ability and needs. So some people take up some occupation that their parents have been doing. Like the person or the children, those who have their own business, they take up the work of their parent only. So an occupation is any type of work that allows us to earn a livelihood. If it will not do any work, from where you will earn money? So for that, what we are doing? We are doing occupation, and through that, what we are earning our livelihood. First type of occupation, that is farming, which plays an important role in our lives, because if there will be no farmer, from where do you get crop from? So farming, most of the people in our country, they live in villages, and what they are doing? They are doing farming. And as you know that farming is an important occupation of the people, those who are living in the village areas. So a large variety of crops are grown over here, like food grains, vegetables, fruits, oil seeds, sugarcane, tea, coffee, jute, groundnut, spices, and more. These are the different types of crop that is grown by the farmer. And what he is doing? He is fulfilling our needs, right? As you all know, we need wheat, rice to eat. So who is giving? Farmer is giving, right? Next is cattle farming, which also plays an important role, right? What cows, buffalo gives you? Milk. And with the help of milk, what you make? Milk products like paneer, cheese, right? So it's also play an important role. Some of the farmers, what they do? They rear cattle like cow, buffaloes, and goats. And these cattle, what they provide you? Milk. Oxen, what they are used for? Tilling the land, right? You all are using, but then nowadays we have modern farming methods. So we are using tractors, but in the ancient time, we use oxen for plowing or tilling the land. In hilly areas, as you all know, sheep are reared for the wool. As you know that in the hilly area, it's very cold, chilly nights. So here you get wool from the sheep, and with that, what we make? Woolen clothes. Next is poultry farming. You all know what hen gives us egg, and there are many people, they eat egg. As you all know, some people have poultry farms, and from where we get eggs and chickens. The people, those who are non-vegetarians, they eat eggs and chickens. So from where we are getting? The person who is working there in a poultry farm, and what he is providing you? Eggs and chickens. You can see a poultry farm is shown to you. There are number of hens over there, and they are reared over here. Next is industries. As you know, in the modern time, the industry play a very important role, and it is providing jobs to lot number of people. So first there are many industries, and on what these industries depends upon. They are depends upon the products of farming. We give raw material to the industries, and then they make finished good from it. So an industry is a place where our raw material obtained from the nature is transferred into useful form. Right? Textile industry. Right? It's making clothes. How? We are giving a raw material, that is cotton to them, and they are making what? T-shirts, shirts from them. Textile industry, jute industry, and sugar industry. These are the different type of industries that I have told you. Now, jute industry, it is used for what? Bags or for packing goods. If you have to pack the goods, what you are using? Jute industries. So, sugarcane, if we talk about sugarcane, it is crushed to produce sugar and jaggery. Right? So, what you are using? For packing goods, you are using jute industries. Like, why? For packing the goods, what you need? Bag. And where the bags are made? They are made in jute industry. Next is sugarcane, which is crushed into sugar and jaggery from its juice, and oil is also extracted from the various seeds, just like groundnut and mustard. So, tea leaves are processed and packed in cartons. Coffee beans are grown. As you all know, coffee beans are grown and processed and sold in the market. The cultivation of various spices meat has been demand. What, as you all know, the spices give taste to our food. It gives flavor, right? So these also play an important role. And what industries are providing? They are providing employment to the people. Next is forestry. Forest also play an important role, right? From the forest only, we bring different raw material like wood. From wood, what we are making? Paper, right? So some parts of our country have thick forest and many people work in this forest. They cut trees, the wood is obtained from that trees, and that wood is used for many purposes, like for making furniture, buildings, houses. Many industries is making paper, matches, etc. and also depend on the produce of forest. So some people collect gum, herbs and rubber from the forest and sell them in the market. Right? And what they do, they sell in the market. And from that also what they are doing, they are earning money. Next is fishing. In the coastal area, if we talk about, the main occupation of the people is fishing over there. They catch the fish and they sold them. And they sell them. Fishing is an important occupation of the people living near the coastal area. Fishermen, you can see here, what they use is large boats and nets for catching fish. As you all know, the fish is a very important source of protein for us. Next is mining. So, next is mining. As you all know that in many places the mining is done for finding different ores. Like you can see these mining activities, they are done over here. So our country is very rich in minerals, large deposit of mica, coal, iron, limestone, and other minerals are found in our country. People who work in mines, what they do, they take out minerals and are called miners. What we call those people, those who are working in the mine areas, that is mine. Right? Sometimes they have to work in dangerous condition also. So these minerals are used in big factories where cars, bicycle, tractor, aeroplanes and railway engines are manufactured. People living in towns and cities where they work in banks, offices, factories and shops. Teacher, doctor, engineer, accountant, architect, they are trained in specific field. They help other with their expert knowledge. So electrician, plumber, tailor, cobbler, barber, they help the society with their specific skill. Or what they do, they help the society, and like the different people, those who have the different skill, they are using their skills and they are working and they are earning money. So with their, what skills play an important role if you talk about if you talk about the occupation, so skill plays an important role. Let's study about the other occupation. I have told you about the different occupation. Next, we have some other occupation also. What are these? Some people do service as their occupation or profession to earn money. Many people work in banks, schools, colleges, hospital, office, business houses, hotels, post office, railway roads, and airports. And some are greengrocers, right? When you go to buy the vegetables, you go to greengrocer, vendors, stationer, confectioner, chemists, tourists, and drapers. We have mechanics, plumber, cobbler, electrician also, carpenter, banker, tailors, potters, mentioned who lays brick or lays your house, cobbler, weaver, blacksmith, goods. These are also the people, those who are doing the different occupation. Now some professional like we have doctor, engineer, nurses and your architect. teacher, lawyer, dentist, veterinary doctor, journalist, actor, singer. These all are some professional occupations. So, in this chapter, I have told you about the different occupation the people do. So, let's have some quiz time. I will ask you some question. You have to give those answer in the chat box. My first question is, if there will be no farmer, from where do we get food? Next question is, who helps us when we are sick? Right? So these are the two questions that you have to answer them. Right now, our chapter has been completed. As you all know, that occupation plays an important role in our life, and each and every person is important for us, and they are helping us in doing different activities. And so we should do our work properly. So now our chapter has been completed. Thank you for enjoying and learning with me. Keep till then, keep learning. That's all for today. Thank you.